Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Zillow Group step by step clearly. Start by researching Zillow Group to understand its business model and market position. Visit Zillow's official website to gather current financial information and market performance. Open a brokerage account if you don't have one. Choose a reputable online platform that offers access to stocks. Complete the registration process, providing your personal and financial information as required. Fund your brokerage account by transferring money from your bank account into the trading account. Search for Zillow Group using its ticker symbol, ZG, on your brokerage platform. Review Zillow's stock information including price, charts, and analyst ratings. Decide how many shares you want to purchase based on your investment strategy and budget. Place a buy order for Zillow shares, selecting either a market order or a limit order depending on your preference. Confirm the details of your order before submitting to ensure everything is correct. Monitor your investment regularly to stay updated on Zillow's performance and market trends. Consider setting alerts for significant changes in Zillow's stock price to keep track of your investment. Review your overall investment strategy periodically to adjust your holdings as necessary. Stay informed about news that could impact Zillow's market position, such as real estate trends and company earnings reports. Engage with investor communities to gain insights and share experiences related to investing in Zillow Group. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.